Hello everybody, Leanna Martens here, your best choice for Edmonton real estate. Today we are going to take a tour of a $2.7 million custom infill by Urbis Developments in one of West Edmonton's most sought after communities. And this location is really beautiful. I actually used to live just across the park here. This location is absolutely perfect and very desirable, which is why this lot was purchased to develop, because it is, if we look behind my shoulder, a block off of Mackinnon Ravine. And I'm just gonna take a little twisty turn here. You can see another custom infill going in there by the same infill company. There's a beautiful green space park there. So it is a pristine, perfect location. If you're new to my channel, hey, welcome. Let's go take a tour. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming. Let's get in there and have a look at this spectacular $2.7 million home. So thanks so much on touring that Urbis development home with me. It is a beautiful custom infill with some very unique design characteristics. If you want to find out more about this home, this community, communities around, or maybe small scale custom infill builders like this, make sure that you reach out in the description below this video. It's going to give you your way of reaching out to me and my team so we can support you with all the information you need to make an informed decision if you're maybe considering a relocation from maybe somewhere else in Canada. So thank you again for watching, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.